Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I am making a separate video of this 42-inch Mainstays Hugger, the older version of the Hugger, the lowest quality fan I have ever seen in my life. These blades are not original to them. These came off of my grandparents' Littleton. The original blades without Littleton, they were warped because this fan is directly under the fireplace, so I don't know if the fireplace had anything to do with it. It's also right by the window there. So those original blades got pretty warped. These blades are just from my grandparents' Littleton. And this is going to be the demonstration video, and you may have seen this fan without the blades in my ceiling fans in my parents' old house video. But let's stop talking and get on with it. Here's the light, and the light chain and the fan chain are a little bit stiff, so I have to play rough with it. Here's low. And the bearing, and it does have bearing noise. So the bearings are going on this fan, which I really don't give a crap about it, so I'm not gonna WD-40 the bearings. For a Walmart junk fan, it does blow good air, but if you are a new fan collector, if you're looking for a fan, whatever you do, don't go to Walmart, don't buy their fans, even this one, just don't do it. In my opinion, I recommend Lowe's or Home Depot. Now, they have the high quality of fans. Now, as a fan collector for me, I do not care about quality or performance, but for the sake of this video, I'll talk about it. I do not know what year my mom installed this fan, probably the early 2000s, I would think. And this Littleton replaced a twin. Oh yeah, I told you the story, but replaced a twin of that. Here's the light again. You can probably hear the bearings in here. Yeah, that's low quality right there. Anyway, this is the 42-inch Mainstays Hugger Walmart ceiling fan, and I'll see you in the next one.